Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on replacing the battery of your Dyson V10. This process is straightforward, but it's crucial to follow each step carefully to avoid damaging your device. Let's dive in. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Torx T15 screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of gloves to protect your hands. If you don't have these tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get the help you need. Start by unplugging your Dyson V10 from the charging dock. Ensure the vacuum is turned off to avoid any accidental startups during the process. Next, locate the battery release button on the back of the vacuum. Press this button and hold it while gently pulling the battery out of the device. If you feel resistance, double-check that the button is fully pressed. Now that you have removed the battery, it's time to clean the battery compartment. Use a dry cloth to wipe away any dust or debris that might have accumulated inside. This step is often overlooked, but keeping it clean will help extend the life of your new battery. With the compartment clean, take your new compatible battery and align it with the connectors inside the compartment. Push it in firmly until you hear a click, indicating it is securely in place. Before you reassemble everything, it's a good idea to double-check the connections. If you notice any corrosion or wear on the connectors, now is the time to address it. If you're unsure, consider our professional diagnosis without obligation to ensure everything is in top shape. Once you have confirmed everything looks good, it's time to reassemble your vacuum. Line up the back cover and press down until you hear a snap. This ensures that the cover is secure and protects the internal components. Now, plug your Dyson V10 back into the charging dock and let it charge for a few hours to ensure the new battery is fully powered. Remember, regular maintenance can prolong the life of your vacuum, so consider cleaning the filter and checking for blockages regularly. If you encounter any issues during this process or if the vacuum does not power on after the battery replacement, don't hesitate to contact us. We offer no calls, no travel, making it convenient for you to get help right at your home. Finally, if you're not comfortable with any of these steps, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know exactly what to expect. Thank you for following along, and enjoy your revitalized Dyson V10. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.